Okay, the second principle that we'll need in finding the trigonometric function of any angle is to be able to find the reference angle for the given angle. All right, so in this case, that's actually two steps. Let's say that I'm given this angle in radians, negative 17 pi over 6. How do I find it? Well, the first thing I always do is I find my coterminal angle between 0 and 2 pi. So let's think. 2 pi is exactly equal to 12 pi over 6. If we add 12 pi over 6 to negative 17 pi over 6, we're still going to get a negative reference angle. So what we need to do is we need to use twice that. So we're going to multiply this by 2 to get 2 full rotations. All right, so that is 24 pi over 6. So in order to handle this calculation, what we're going to do is we're going to rewrite this by taking negative 17 pi over 6 and finding my coterminal angle between 0 and 2 pi. Let's see. So if I add 24 pi over 6, the reference angle here, the coterminal angle is 7 pi over 6. So now we ask, okay, what quadrant will that be in? Well, we know that pi is 6 pi over 6, and pi is what defines our position on the negative x-axis, and so 7 pi over 6 must be in quadrant 3. So our reference angle when we're in quadrant 3 is found by taking the angle that we found between 0 and 2 pi, 7 pi over 6, and subtracting pi. And as stated, that's 6 pi over 6. And so our reference angle is pi over 6. We'll need that. Well, how about in degrees? Well, in degrees, it's sort of a similar situation, only this time we're going to use 0 to 360 degrees as our standard. So what I want to do is I want to find a coterminal angle whose value is between 0 and 360 degrees. Well, in this case, that's pretty easily found. Take 450 degrees and subtract 360 degrees and see what you get. Well, doing the subtraction, of course, 0 over here, borrow 1, 15 minus 6, that's 9. So, oh, that's 90 degrees. So theta, our coterminal angle theta, is 90 degrees. What would that make our reference angle? Well, in this case, since this is a quadrantial angle, that's not a worry of ours. Quadrantial angles are special cases. So our quadrantial angle will not have a reference angle. We know what's going to happen with our sine, cosine, and tangent there.